So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset Samsung dishwasher without unplugging button sequence reset method. So in line reset summary, press power, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then turn it back on. If a cycle is stuck, hold start for 3 seconds to cancel a drain. Third, if unresponsive, reset via the circuit breaker for 5 minutes. Also there are some key methods which we have to notice. So method first, standard power button reset, most models. Press the power button to turn on the dishwasher off. Then wait for 30 to 60 seconds, then again power to turn it back on. Turning the unit off clears temporary software glitches and reset the control board similar to unplugging but without removing power physically. So the second method is cancel and drain reset. Press and hold the start button for 3 seconds, then the dishwasher will activate a short drain cycle. Wait until it fully stops. This cancels the active cycles and clears stored program command that may cause flashing light or unresponsiveness control. The third method is control lock reset if buttons don't respond. So press and hold control lock or heated dry plus high temperature wash for 3 seconds. Wait until the lock indicator turns off. If the control panel is locked, the dishwasher appears unresponsive. Disabling control lock restores normal button operations. So the method fourth is circuit breaker reset without unplugging. If the dishwasher is hardwired and cannot be unplugged, turn off the dishwasher using the power button. Then go to your home electrical panel, then flip the dishwasher breaker off for 5 minutes. Then turn the breaker back on. This fully resets the internal control board and clears persistent electronic faults that simple button reset cannot fix. Thank you. So these are the steps which can help you to fix your issue. Bye.